Japanese braised pork belly, Kakuni. Medium heat. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Heat the fry pan well. 250 grams of pork belly block. Peel the pork belly. Just brown the surface. Put the brown pork into a pot. Pour enough water to cover the pork. Bring it to a boil. Once boiling, skim off the scum and simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. This step is to remove the odor from the pork. Take it out and let it cool. $30 grams of onion. Slice it. Japanese negi. This tastes closer to green onion rather than leek. 20 grams of the green part of the green onion. Snap it in half. This enhances the flavor. You can substitute with chopped green onions. 20 grams of the white part of the green onion. Julienne it. $40 grams of potato. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $6 grams of ginger. Slice it. Cut a cool pork belly block into 5 cm wide pieces. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of sake. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Half teaspoon of rice vinegar. Mix well. Put the ingredient in a slow cooker. You can also cook it in a pot. Add boiled eggs. Add the sliced ginger. Add the green onions. Pour in the pre-made kakuni base. $130 ml of water. Flatten the ingredient evenly. Simmer on high for 6 hours in a slow cooker, or 2 hours on low heat in a pot. Serve with Japanese mustard or regular mustard. Garnish with the julienne green onion. 今日の料理は角煮でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.